Amongst all the global issues, civil wars, financial crisis, terrorism, and a brand new threat appears, the battle cats. We found it too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We are powerless to their reign. We cannot stop their legion. Come to think of it, cats have already invaded the internet too. We have the best information technology system and use them to look at cats. By the way, the developer of these battle cats was interviewed on TV. It went like this. Why is the new weapon a cat? And he answered, because I love cats. Are you serious? I just read what I've written. It's horrible. So horrible. I've forgotten how bad my writing was. My biggest mistake was I don't know who I am writing to. I remember my days as a kid. I wanted to be a major leaguer. Now, I want to be a millionaire CEO of a social networking service. I mean, if you have money, you don't need love, right? Yes, no. Whatever the answer is, I want to tell you one thing. The battle cats aren't so bad. That's pretty much it. Hey guys, Butterman83 here, and that was probably the longest intro you've ever seen. So, we are here with a new Let's Play of the Battle Cats. I don't know if you've seen this game before, but essentially, you're just cats fighting. So, I'm gonna start the battle in the first stage, Korea. Attack the enemy base. About cats. Tap this icon to produce a cat. About cats. You need money, not real, duh, to produce cats. Wait until enough is saved up. Okay, thank gosh, it's not slow motion. Because money up the cats and bought more cats. No, that's weird. Doesn't make sense. So I spawned that cat with 50 cents, apparently. Well, now he's going to fight Doge, I believe it's his name. And I can spawn another cat, but there's a reload time until you can spawn another one. So, this game may not seem that interesting to you guys at first, but keep watching this series. It gets insane. Really crazy. Stages will last over an hour. I mean, I will skip stages, skip certain parts if the video gets that along, so you guys don't have to watch that. But yeah.
Also, we're getting out more variety of videos, just so you know. We're gonna do this and we've also got 2 more games lined up. We got Roblox, which I just recorded an episode of. Not a game that we're not gonna tell you about because we both played it a long time ago.
Yes, it's such a fun game.
I beat it.
You beat it?
Yeah.
The game technically?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I beat the campaign.
Yeah. In the campaign, I was just stuck on one world.
Yeah, because it was glitching.
Yeah, it would not take me to the next level, even though I beat it like 3 times. So as you see, I'm lowering the enemy base's health with my army of kittens. Yeah. So he's almost gone, and so yeah, we got 1,000 XP. Ooh, oh yeah, I guess they always give you the best treasure on the first one level. I mean, that's what I mean by 1. Okay. I don't know what that is. Ooh, 30 cat food. Okay. Day 1.
Hey, that's me. I'm 30 cat food.
That's weird. Yes! Rare cat ticket. But then you can get an amazing cat once you get the thing. 3,000 XP! 10 speed ups? That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't need this ad. What's happening? Okay. What is this? Oh no, I don't need that. So I'm gonna go over here to upgrade. Oh, and we can. Looks like we can unlock the tank cat. So he's pretty cool. Yeah, and he doesn't cost any XP. Yeah. What can I get? What should I get here? You know what? I'm thinking just to upgrade cat. So if you didn't know, at level, which you probably didn't, at level 10, they evolve, and at level 30, they evolve. So at level 10, this guy turns into a macho cat. And yeah, so now the basic cat is gonna be pretty good, actually.
I made a game folder on the tablet.
Okay, fine. So we're gonna go ahead and attack Mongolia. Oh, if you didn't notice,
we're gonna go ahead and attack Mongolia
with cats.
Yes, Mongolia.
So if you didn't notice, there's a little energy bar thing. So you can't just spam through all the stages in one day and just grind for XP. You have to kind of wait till your energy recharges. So if you see up the top here, it costs 5 energy. So yeah, let's just attack it. Hope this video isn't going to be too boring. Oh yeah, and eventually as we go on, the opponent's castle is gonna have more and more health, and each time its appearance is gonna change. So yeah. Ooh, and there's another enemy. Not just the dog. Snatch, I think his name is, for some reason. Or Snatch. So I highly recommend this game for you guys to download. It's completely free. But please be aware, be aware there's paid content. You don't have to pay, but you can if you really want to. Oof, this is getting intense. Oh, yeah, I sent out Take Cat. He's basically just the basic cat, but a lot taller. I forget what his attack is. Oh, yeah, he's like, That was a weird noise. And I'm gonna upgrade some stuff. I'm not going to the store because I'm not gonna spend cats. Oh yeah, special cats. Ah, darn, I need 2,000 XP for him. God Cat is so good. Really? Wow, you should. Efficiency. So that I get money faster. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna check out what we can get in the store. Treasure radar. Rich cat. What? Oh, huh. Cat computer. Cat jobs. Cat Steve Jobs. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of XP. Guess how much XP you can get for 1,500 cat food? 2 million. One time a rare cat sold for, I think, 100,000 XP. I was like, yeah. And my friend told me it wasn't that good, just as good as Axe Cat, which is the next cat we're gonna unlock. So if you see China's looks like the Great Wall of China. It's kind of based off of them. So is the treasure. Oh yeah, I upgraded the efficiency, but if you noticed, last time it said for the first one it cost $40 and then $80 for the second one. Now costs $50 for the first one and $100 for the second one. So yeah, but my money goes up a lot quicker. I always find the starts of certain games are kind of boring. I love the music for this stuff. Oh my gosh, that what?
Restate.
What?
But the sister location, 10/7/16. Scott Cawthon posted 17 hours ago. Just a picture.
What's the picture?
So I'm assuming he means sister location these days.
Ooh. Oh, it's almost dead. The base. Actually, no, it's like a half. But that cat cannon range is really bad. On my main profile, well, not really a profile, the other device, it stretches up to like here or something. Oh, new cat? Oh, I think that's Axe Cat. Yes, there he is. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. Now I can make it longer distance. Anything else I can upgrade? No, cat cannon charge. Okay. I'm gonna go. Yeah, let's do Thailand. I think after this episode, or after this stage, I'm gonna end the episode here. If you guys are you want me to do longer videos of this, let me know in the comments section. If you like it, be sure to drop a like. Now let's send out Axe Cat. I know he's good, but I'm sure you guys want to see him. Kind of expensive though at this stage. Really good though. Can't wait to get Ninja Cat. I'm actually gonna use him in this. I have never used bot cats that cost cat food. They're in the special cats section. So, varying on the level, the stages can get smaller or bigger. Man, Axe Cat is doing some serious damage, it looks like. Oh, there's those guys. The three little people. If you notice them. Yep, there they are again. But we're hitting the tower, though. This is good. Come on! Let's get them! Come on, battle cats! Ugh, no treasure. Darn. Oh! 5,000 XP? Cool. Huh? 5 rich cats? Okay, cool. Oh, darn, this again. Okay, if I go to the menu, treasures can actually be used for stuff. Look here. I have only the treasure from Korea. And there are different, I guess, modifiers on treasures. Like superior, normal, and inferior. So, well, superior is the best, of course. If you get all of the treasures in these set stages, you can speed up money production during battle, as it says here. But and it has different efficiencies. It only works at 100% efficiency if you get all of them. So yeah, and then worker cat capacity. Cat production speed, amount of XP when you clear a stage. Okay, yeah. Yada yada. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade something and then we can leave it there. I'm gonna upgrade Tank Cat once and spend the rest on Cat. Actually, I can upgrade one other thing. Huh. You know, I'm gonna upgrade Cat bases actually. Yeah, I'm gonna do Cat study. So I can get more XP per stage. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Battle Cats. If you liked it, be sure to drop a like and yeah, tell me in the comments if you want to see longer videos of this. So be sure to like and subscribe.
Oh, don't forget to mention the
What?
Minecraft thing we're doing as soon as the Minecraft thing happens.
Oh yeah! Okay, so me and Mr. TNT, we wanna do a speed run of Minecraft when 16.0 comes out. Is that correct?
Not exactly that. I was gonna say we want to live stream speedrun.
Yeah,
Minecraft.
live stream speedrun.
So
Yes. So be sure to drop in on that. And I think actually next year, when Terraria 1.3 comes out for mobile,
we're gonna do that.
yes, we're live streaming that too. So we'll notify you guys before it comes out.
Yeah,
So
we'll post
16.0 is gonna, yeah, we're gonna post a really quick video. So yeah, you guys will know. Make sure to come watch that, to go watch that. And yeah, I guess if you liked it, like and subscribe for like the third time I've said that. Bye!